Mart, Capital Commons. Kind of be here on this mall. This one I'm the big. I could see different stalls. They have Jollibee here. They have Jollibee. They also have here a classic Savory. A classic Savory. Different food stalls like kabisado, streets on stick. Bukawan. Ito, kabisado ko, pouching. May pouching sila dito. Tapos there's the Mart, Commons. On the left side there is a Burger King. So medyo maliit lang yung mall. We're still having it check. So hindi naman siya ganun kalakihan. Although I think it's a good place kasi marami namang tao rito, and kumbaga it's a good location, especially na sa mga taong mag-stop over coming from CCL. So we're now going to the second floor. Going to the second floor of Capital Commons. So here in Capital Commons we have here different brands of I think this is Anson's. Yes, there's a Anson's department store here sa Capital Commons. We have different appliances, pero hindi na ako papasok dyan kasi wala pa akong gamit. So we have Anson's here. Meron naman din silang maliliit na arcade para sa mga bata. Arcade. Bump car. Yan, bump car. Dito sa Magic. Siyang bump car. So, pag gusto nyong magkape, meron naman sila dito pick up coffee. Kung gusto mo sila magkape, meron po silang pick up coffee dito, or ice cream chimney. Especially pag bibili tayo ng ating other necessities, we have Mr. DIY. Yun. So we're almost done with the tour dito sa Capital Commons Mall. At 10 pesos yung laro nila dito. It's 10 pesos. 10 pesos yung game. 10 pesos yung game. Medyo pricey. Dito sa malalaki, parang ganun rin, same price, just 10 pesos. So dito na tayo, may elevators din sila, kahit 2 floors lang, no? Amazing, nakapaglagay sila ng elevator for a 2-floor mall. So we're approaching the last part of the area. Ano to? Meron silang Far East Medical. I think it's just for equipments, Far East Medical. Tapos syempre meron sila ditong cellphone area. Meron silang cellphone area. Meron silang Tech 101. So ang last part may LBC if you wanna send some items. Then MX Memo Plus, and also Octagon. So ayan na, na-tour ko na kayo sa Capital Commons Mall. I hope you enjoy watching the video, and stay safe mga ka-friends at kapamilya. Bye-bye. This is Joey Go.